Tiwari would like to thank Asian Law College for providing us a great opportunity by organizing Model United Nations with the help of Eco Club. This conference has provided each one of us a great platform to showcase our research and our hard work.
We have got to learn about many things, and it was so interesting that the students got indulged in the activity very much.
I witnessed this Model United Nations conference being a delegate of India.
Thanks to Asian Law College, I had a very wonderful experience of Modern United Nations Conference. It was a very wonderful experience being the delegate of People's Republic of China, and there were other delegates from all over the world.
I am also grateful to the Honorable Executive Board who judged the Honorable Delegates without any bias and with an open mind and heard all the discussions put forward by the delegates.
Hello everyone, I Parishi Gupta would like to introduce you all to the conclusion of this event, how the event proceed and what are the deliberations proposed by the students and as a delegate of different nations. We had three committees: United Nations Environment Program, United Nations Development Program and Economic and Social Council. It provided us a very great opportunity as the students to help us to speak in our future and enhance our public speaking skills. Thank you so much.